Hello lovely viewers. Did you know that when you choose to be happy, it's good for your health? On Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Salad Master, we always ensure that we come your way with flavorful and nutritious meal ideas that will put gladness and happiness in your health. I'm Nessy. Welcome. One of the ways to ensure that you're always happy, which is good for your health, is to show you how you can actually enjoy all the meals you love without having to use excess fats and oils. On the show today, I'm going to fry some French fries, but I'm not going to use a single drop of oil to fry it, and also fry some sausages without oil. Let's get straight to it. Today our ingredients are very simple and basic. I have my frozen French fries here. As you can see, it's very frozen. And also I have some sausages here as well. To do the magic of doing the frying without the oil is the bad boy, or the electric skillet. So there you go, I have it here already preheated, so we're not going to waste time at all. As you can see, no oil in there. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in my frozen fries. You hear that sizzling sound? It's actually the sound from preheating. So we know that everything will be ready in no time. So that's just about it. I'm just covering the base of the pan. Okay, so just make sure that you preheat it. Covering the base of the pan with the French fries. You know how, the kids love to, have these meals, but it's always, we have to fry them in oils and whatnot. The good news is, with Salad Master, that's the specialist healthy cooking system, you can enjoy all of your meals, let me add, all of your flavorful meals without having to use all of the other ingredients that would inform your health illy or negatively. So that is just about it. So I've just preheated my pan and I've set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius here. I'm just going to leave it on. Let me just set the timer as well to probably 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes on the timer. Okie dokie, there we go. Okay, 10, wonderful. You know how in Salad Master, when you want to fry, all you need to do is just crack open the lid like so, just for a little bit, and then in no time your food will be ready. So let's just give it some 10 minutes to fry, and then we'll come check it out later. So after the 10 minutes, as you can see here, the timer has gone off. So it means 10 minutes is up, and this is what you get on the first side. So we have actually flipped the pieces in here. See how brown they are, how crispy they look, so that the other side will burn. And so for the other side to bake or fry, we just put the timer back on. We set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius, and then we set the timer to 10 minutes again. All right, let me just do the short presses. That's it. Then you cover halfway and leave the other side to fry. Be back after 10 minutes to check on the fries. So once again, after 10 minutes, the timer is off, and voila, our French fries are ready. See? Nicely done, and we did not have to use a single drop of oil. Let me just plate them for you to see the end result. And I would just want the camera to zoom into the pan. I want to show you something. Okay, so as you can see there are traces of oil in the pan. It means that they are already laced with some oils, and you know, thankfully for Salad Master, we are able to fry them without the oils because they already have oils in them. So by doing it this way, it's much more healthier. Now you have that peace of mind knowing that when you serve your kids something like this, it's actually healthier compared to frying it in the oil. In the same pan, I'm just going to grab the sausages, and then let me just start put my skillet back on. Once again, no oils in here, so I'm just going to throw them in as it is now. Okay, pretty simple, straightforward. You can put as many as you want in here. You can cover the whole base with it. And once again, you just crack open the lid. And this time, I'm going to give it about 5 minutes to fry on one side, and then we flip it again for the other side to fry for 5 minutes. So, yeah. Okay, now let's have a peek in here. At this point, you just have to be turning the sausages to the other side. Just like that. Just be turning them until all the sides are fried nicely. And then you can serve it up with your fries and enjoy. Okay. Lovely viewers, just check this out. French fries fried without a single drop of oil. We've also fried the sausages without oils. Now just imagine you feeding your kids this, because kids love these meals and these fast foods. But you can have it flavorful and nutritious by using the specialist cooking system Salad Master. We are always leading the movement back to healthy home cooking. Why not join us? Let's make your home a happy home, because you know when you are happy, your health is happy as well. I'm so glad you would make time to join me today. This has been Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Salad Master. Until we come your way next week, it's ta-ta!